This dance is called My Heart Knows. It's a 32 count, full ball, absolute beginner level line dance with one restart. Starting on the right foot, we are going to chassé to the right. 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping the right to the side, left beside right, right to the side. You're going to rock back on that left, recover your weight on that right, step the left to the side, touch that right beside the left, step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right. That set of steps once more then. Chassé to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, side, touch, touch. You're going to chassé back to the left. 1 and 2 count timing steps again. Your left foot is in that touch position, so there's no weight on it, so you're going to lead off on that left. So the left's going to the side, right beside left, stepping the left to the side again. You rock back on that right, recover your weight on the left. And this time we're going to do some toe struts. So you're going to step your right toe forward, lower the heel. Seamless transition, the foot does not lift off the floor when you go between stepping the toe down and lowering the heel. And then you're just going to step forward on that left toe and again lower the heel. So those toe struts, toe, heel goes down. The foot does not lift off the floor. It's not a toe and then a step. That set of steps once more then. Chassé into the left, left foot leads. 7, 8, left chassé, back, rock, toe, strut, toe, strut. Let's add those two sections together. Chassé into the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, side, touch, left chassé, back, rock, toe, strut, toe, strut. You're going to add on a rocking chair, right foot leading. So you're going to rock forward on that right, recover your weight back on the left, move that right foot back as you rock back onto that right, recover your weight back onto the left. Into a jazz box, quarter turn, stepping forward at the end. So you're going to cross that right over the left, step back on that left, then quarter turn to the right, you step forward on that right, and then step forward on that left. That set of steps once more then, rocking chair off on that right. 7, 8, rocking chair, cross, back, turn, step. Let's add that to the top. Chassé to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, side, touch, left chassé, back, rock, toe, strut, rocking chair, cross, back, turn, step. Into some Charleston steps. So you're going to step forward on that right, kick the left forward, step the left back beside the right, point that right back. Step forward on that right again. So effectively when you step forward from that point, the feet come back together. You're then going to kick the left forward again, step the left back beside the right, touch the right beside the left. So it's just 2 Charlestons, but on the very last one, you touch at the end. That set of steps once more then. Off on that right. 7, 8, step, kick, close, point, step, kick, close, touch. End of the dance, when we get to that point, let's put it all together. Chassé to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, side, touch, left chassé, back, rock, toe, strut, rocking chair, cross, back, turn, step, kick, back, point, step, kick, back, touch. So that is your dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Chassé to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, side, touch, left chassé, back, rock, toe, strut, rocking chair, cross, back, turn, step, step, kick, close, point, step, kick, close, touch, right chassé, back, rock, side, touch, left chassé, back, rock, toe, strut, rocking chair, cross, back, turn, step, step, kick, close, point, step, kick, close, touch, right chassé, back, rock, side, touch, left chassé, back, rock, toe, strut, rocking chair, cross, back, turn, step, step, kick, close, point, step, kick, close, touch. So hopefully you managed to follow that. That is your dance. But we have got one little restart in this dance. So the restart comes on wall 7, which will be your back wall, the second time you get to the back wall. You will do 3/4 of the dance, 24 counts, and restart. So you effectively will have just done your jazz box, quarter turn with that step, and then you go straight into your chassé, starting the dance all over again. So let's have a go. Wall 7, our 6 o'clock wall, take you up to 24 counts, restart so you can see how it fits in. Chassé into the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, side, touch, left chassé, back, rock, toe, strut, rocking chair, cross, back, turn, step, restart, right chassé, back, rock, side, touch. So hopefully you can see how that fits in. 24 counts into wall 7. So that is it. That is your dance, your walkthrough, and your restart information. Now there is a fairly quick start to this piece of music, so I can't actually count you in. You have to start on the word heart. So the artist will sing my heart, and that's when you start. So let's give it a go to their music. Right chassé, back, rock, side, touch, left chassé, back, rock, toe, strut, rocking chair, cross, back, turn, step, kick, close, point, step, kick, close, touch, right chassé, back, rock, side, touch, left chassé, back, rock, toe, strut, rocking chair, cross, back, turn, step, kick, close, point, step, kick, close, touch, right chassé, back, rock, side, touch, left chassé, back, rock, toe, strut, rocking chair, cross, back, turn, step, kick, close, point, step, kick, close, point, right chassé, back, rock, side, touch, left chassé, back, rock, toe, strut, rocking chair, cross, back, turn, step, kick, close, point, step, kick, close, point, chassé. Left chassé, rocking chair, Charleston, chassé, chassé, rocking chair, Charleston, chassé, the restart wall, chassé, rocking chair, restart, chassé, chassé, rocking chair, Charleston,
managed that one.